So this is how I adjust my spoke and trim my rim or tring. Start looking for a gap. Looks like we have a little bit of a gap here. Maybe a little too close in here. So yeah, that's a little. This is definitely true enough for type of writing I do. It's within probably a 1/16 of an inch. So that's definitely good enough. It was out by at least an eighth, maybe a 1/4 inch when I started on it. I had a broken spoke and several loose spokes. But I use this method to true. I use these as my measurement of how far off it is, and I usually will adjust either the two outers, like these two, to true that in. This rim does have a bend in it. I hit a curb on the sidewalk where I'm close to. They had a 90° by about 8 inches, and I hit it about 20-30 mile an hour. And I thought I was going to go head first when I hit it, but the front tire popped up pretty nicely, and the back tire crashed it into it pretty hard. I rolled over it. I was really surprised. I thought I was going to crash and burn, but it made it over, and it put a flat spot in the rear rim because most of the weight was in the rear. So yes, a basic truing. Another thing good is to see if you have any play in your wheel bearings. There's no play in these. These are adjustable bearings. They're not sealed bearings. I don't like sealed bearings because they're hard to, you just really can't maintain them. There's a slight rubbing. I'm going to ride it and see if it smooths out a little bit.